everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we're going to check out the p.louise monthly budget box. If you are not familiar with p.louise, it is a skincare, makeup, beauty, general, everything beauty company in the United Kingdom. This is the monthly subscription box that they have. The cost ranges $39 to $40. Generally, it just depends on, I think, the conversion. I think it's officially $39, but then the conversion sometimes makes it $40. There's also shipping in this. So generally the shipping, it's going to be around $52 to $53 shipped to us here in the US. So depending on where you live in the world, your shipping can vary, but the box is $39 per month. This one is the December box. They always are a month backwards. So this is the December box because we paid for it in December, but they actually ship the beginning of the next month. So this one may have actually had a label created before the end of December, which is unusual. And we got it yesterday. We got it yesterday. So it took, this is the 12th. It took till the 11th to get to us. And that was with bad weather here in Oklahoma. So that's the earliest in the month we've gotten it in a while. It's been not even shipping till the middle of the month, probably because of the holidays and the advent calendar, which if you haven't seen the advent calendar, it's awesome. So this is the monthly budget box. We are going to be so excited. I actually kind of know what's in here.
I know.
Did you open it?
Not. You can pull it tab.
They have a pull tab. They come shipped in a pink plastic bag, so it's a little more nondescript. They used to actually ship in this box, which I think is a little tempting for Porch Pirates. So a plain pink package is a little less.
Yeah.
We never had one taken, but I imagine others may have. But they come very well packaged.
It does.
As we go through this box, tell me your favorite p.louise product, because we have a lot of p.louise favorites.
That's on top.
They did. I cannot believe they did this again. Okay, so in even November, I want to say, they were giving every box a free little of the lip oils in the package. So we got one with last month's budget box.
Yeah.
We got one with the mini mystery box we ordered, and now we got another one in this mystery box.
It's okay.
Or this budget box.
And I'm using the
one
of the
these
mini
are
ones.
perfect for.
I put it in my purse
and this was a different color. This looks like the this is going to be the kind of the opal colored with a little bit of sparkly. We're going to open it. These are so much fun. I wasn't expecting that. I will say we did also order the mini mystery bundle, which is on its way still. It should be in a few days. And there is a freebie item when you order in December that you're going to get. We'll show you when we get that box. Oh, this one might be strawberry according to the pictures. Well, it's also got
it is strawberries and cream.
Oh, and it says, I've never even seen all the pictures of all the flavors or fragrances or whatever you want to call them, but they do
come it smells wonderful.
Oh my goodness, it does smell just like strawberries and cream.
Oh, thank you.
And you can see that a lot of them come tinted as well. The tint is very faint.
Very faint.
But
because I've had the
we even have the green one. Yeah, it doesn't.
And it was faint.
Yeah, but nice. Yeah. I'm excited. Bonus. I love it. Okay. So I want to save the big thing. Is there only two things?
I don't know.
Oh no, there's not.
There's other things. We'll just take one.
Okay, so we're gonna start with this one, and this says "Say it with chest." Say it with chest. Body glitter. So this is a powder. I'm not gonna open this because we could get it sealed. She started. I feel like the boxes were not always cellophane sealed like this. So this is really nice that they're coming cellophane sealed. I'm not sure we're going to keep this one because we have a lot. We just got 3 body lotion glitters from the advent calendar, plus we got a bunch last year. This may get a new home, and I'll leave it sealed for.
I like that it's powdered just to give you different options. So this is cool because I like the glitters because it gives you a little bit of sparkle, but not over the top.
They're gorgeous.
We love them.
And this one is in Golden Era. So I wonder if this, you know what, I will bet you is exactly like the powder pigment pop blushes we just got in the advent calendar. There'll be a little sponge applicator in the top.
But
so
we
if
won't
there's
open
not,
it to find out to be sure.
I'm really not going to open this one, but I bet that's what it is. But if it doesn't, just get a big poofy brush and powder it on.
Exactly.
This says, be seen for the star that you are and let your glow do the talking. So very nice. And it has some information on the back. Add a sprinkle of sparkle or say it with chest loose body glitter highlighters. So very nice.
Nice.
All right, next.
Ooh, says Once Upon a Line. And it says Forever Fairy Tale Pencil Trio.
Ooh.
Eyeliner pencil.
Ooh, eyeliner pencils.
Oh.
I thought it was going to be lip liners, honestly.
Oh, look at the gorgeous colors.
Pretty. We have the giant record eyeliner palette, 2 of different colors. One that's more these tones. But I don't think outside of that, do we even have any other eyeliners?
Not from her, no.
This is special. Pop it maybe through. This is really cool. One. They're in this little plastic real well.
Okay, so we'll try this color.
It's kind of a taupey charcoal. Ooh, very nice twist up. I love a twist up. I was worried it was going to be sharpenable. Is it plummy? I wonder. It almost looks like it's going to be plummy. No, it's a taupe.
Let me turn it down so we don't miss it, because these are going to be nice eyeliners.
Did it go on smooth?
It went on super smooth.
It drew
Look
a
at
nice
the pigment.
line.
Just one line. Gorgeous pigment.
Yeah, that was one draw.
So these are nice neutral colors to have. And 3. Oh, yes. This is lovely. Yeah,
and I want to say the blushes of these were selling for like almost $20 or around that per. So this is probably that same price range. I'll go on the website as I'm editing, and I'll put in the corner if I can find these products for sale and give you. I've never done an actual total for these boxes. They tell you that they should be worth 60 pounds, which
at least
that's pounds, so that translates to what, $75 usually our money. So we'll see. I know we always get at least that. At least. The next one is this big.
Isn't that awesome?
Okay, so
I love these.
We're doing this one together.
Oh, look at the pack front, people. Look at the front.
It's so pretty.
Oh, it looks like a house, and it says expensive taste. And it says palette for eye and face. Peeling. Oh my gosh, this is just, the box is gorgeous.
I can't wait. Oh my goodness.
I love these.
These are the storybooks. So she started doing storybook palettes. She's always done really pretty different palettes with drawers and things, but these are the storybook ones.
Yes, look at that. Oh,
this reminds me of the windows in the train.
Like,
ballerina. Look, it's got a ballerina in the window.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
It's precious.
Oh, and see at the end, it looks like a book.
Those are the pages in it.
Yes.
It's awesome.
Magnetic, which is awesome. Page 1, people.
I love these. I mean, we have hundreds, literally, colors from her,
these
but we don't
gorgeous.
Have this collection. And this could be highlighters
yellows
or shadows.
And creams and beiges and white. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love this. I want. Oh.
And each of the pans look as embossed with something that is just some of the same images that are on the book, but just happy little fun.
Yes.
So pretty. And this one has a mirror. This page has the mirror.
Yeah, this page has a mirror.
Oh, this one's beautiful.
You showed this.
This one, the second page has like a receipt, and it's got really pretty earth tones. There's a lot of shimmers in there, and I'm going to try to pull the little plastic back so you can see without the glare. It's so pretty. Look at that.
Look at those colors.
And there's one more page.
What does the receipt say?
The receipt says health 0, love 0, time $0. It doesn't cost you anything for health, love, time, commitment, family, values, and integrity. Total is 0 cost to you. Whilst the taste might be expensive, the memories don't cost a thing. Happiness can be created from nothing. It's all about what you bring. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, that is actually beautiful.
I'm so true. It is so true. I mean, she just really reaches and finds some beautiful thoughts and just words to share with the people who buy her stuff. She could just make normal palettes with a cute picture on it and be done. But the thought that goes into these is incredible.
Oh, look
the
at
chocolates.
These. Ooh, beautiful.
Let me pull this back.
Look at those gorgeous chocolate tones.
Oh, so pretty. And again, you can use these for highlighters.
Yeah.
Eyeshadows. You can even use
bronzers.
A beautiful, for bronzers or a different kind of blush if you want to do an earth tone blush.
Oh, look at those. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors.
What does this page say?
And this one says,
So
share your smile and laughter, warm up every room, spreading your positivity and dusting off the gloom. Oh,
it's beautiful. I love this palette.
I know this.
We did an inventory of our p.louise stuff the other day.
Gorgeous. Oh my.
We have a lot, but this is another one's like, how do you not keep such a beautiful?
Exactly. Like this one is stunning. Oh, and the eyeliners that go with these colors. I mean,
oh yeah, the
these
eyeliners
three
actually
shades
match.
go with these.
And then you can use
palettes.
the shimmer to glow up everywhere.
So I mean, this is like total go together, coordinated.
Beautiful.
Wonderfulness.
I would not be surprised if this palette was at least $60.
Yeah, these are lovely.
Yeah. So again, I'll look and see if there's something to give you guys.
Well, you need to sign up for the budget box, people.
So the way it works is you sign up for if you sign up this month in January, and there's still slots. Sometimes there's no slots available, and you will have to wait until the next month. That's what happened when we signed up a few years ago. I think we were looking in May, and we couldn't sign up until the 1st of June. We literally, on June 1st, went to the website and were able to sign up, and then we got our first box in July.
Yeah.
So you won't get a box this month unless there's some left over from this. Sometimes she'll sell, this is the December box, and you can just buy it and then subscribe to start getting it. But the signing up in January will get you the January box, but in February.
And we already saw spoilers for January's box.
Oh my
we're
gosh.
Getting next month. OMG.
I'm so excited.
On the edge of my seat waiting for that to come.
If you don't follow p.louise on Instagram and TikTok, you need to, because you will get fun spoilers. You don't get spoilers every month, but these are awesome. So this box, plus we got our bonus lip gloss.
I know. Strawberries and cream.
Oh. And this is a clue for next month's box, just saying. Just the size of it maybe.
It's going to be fun.
It's going to be fun. Thank you guys for joining us on our first p.louise box of 2025. This has been great. We did not wear pink today for p.louise.
We were already dressed in green and our makeup matched it, so this is what we went with.
But we're green for p.louise, and we did not mean to match each other. Sisters will do that. If you have a sister, you're going to match her from time to time, intentionally or unintentionally, and you may not even know it, but you're going to match. So we did. But this was so much fun. We love our p.louise.
We do.
We hope you guys did too. If you did enjoy this box, I would love for you to hit subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the notifications bell if you don't want to miss out on future uploads. But for now, thanks for joining Beth and Krista for this box.
Bye.
Have a great rest of your day. Bye.